Hello viewers, welcome back to Simply Vegetarian. Today I'm going to share with you one of the most simplest recipes on earth, which is aloo chachari, or you might call it roasted potato curry. It's a perfect recipe using few ingredients whenever you're running short of time for a lengthy breakfast or dinner. So let's have a look at it. As I'm preparing for 2 persons, I have taken here 2 medium-sized potatoes, washed, nicely peeled. I'll slice them evenly, get rid of the starch under tap water and let this dry. Now the 4 simple ingredients I'm using are, these are a mixture of 6 spices. They are kalonji or black cumin, also called nigella, kala tori or black mustard, sauf or fennel seeds, methi or fenugreek seeds, jeera, cumin seeds, and ajwain or carom seeds. So these add flavor to my simple potato curry. Then I have turmeric, salt, red chili powder. For color, I'm using Kashmiri chili powder. Dried red chilies, these are optional. Amchur powder or mango powder, which is also optional, but I suggest you use if you have. And oil. So these are the simple ingredients we require. Now heat karahi or any thick bottomed pan. Adding oil. Once the oil gets nicely heated, add a teaspoon of spices and let them crackle first. Once the masalas start crackling, add red dried chilies. Keep the heat low now, and then we'll add 1/4 of haldi powder and around half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and I'll add the salt as well, salt as per taste. At this point, be careful not to burn the masalas. The turmeric and the red chili powder gives a beautiful color. Now time to add the drained potatoes. Now quickly mix them and keep the flame at minimum low. Cover the wok with a lid. Let this cook for 5 minutes on very low heat. And amchur powder I'll use at the end after the potato is cooked. So keep this aside. I'll show you the flame here. So keep the flame low and let the potatoes cook slowly. So let me check once. I've been cooking this for 5 minutes. This already got a tempting look. Give a check. It's not yet cooked. So I need to cook this 5 more minutes. At this point you can add the mango powder. Give a good mix, cover and let cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. So it took me exactly 10 minutes to roast and cook this aloo chachari, but if you happen to live in a cold climate, it might take 5 minutes more, so total 15 minutes. It's best to be served hot with chapatis, parathas, puris, or even bread or pita bread. The choice is yours, and this can be served at breakfast or you can even have at dinner time. And here's a final tip for you. Garnish it with some fresh coriander and some yogurt for breakfast, or garnish with some spring onions if you have, whereas serve with lentil curry and some chapatis for dinner. Plus, this potato curry is so flexible, you might even make a sandwich out of it. Pack it at tiffin or enjoy at tea break. Hope you enjoyed watching this easy quick recipe. We'll soon share another one. So till then, watch, like and subscribe Simply Vegetarian. Thank you.